Look at those. Today we're gonna do a fun little twist on taco night with these mini taco meatloafs. Let's get started. We're gonna take a nice spicy salsa. You can use any salsa you'd like. I like to give a little spice to it. We've got our breadcrumbs, taco seasoning. You can use any kind you want if you've got a homemade version or if you just wanna use a store-bought. And our eggs. And then I always use a grossly offensive amount of cheese. And then we'll just mix this up. Okay, now we've got this all mixed up. What we're gonna do is just form our meatloafs. I don't wanna cook them in the pans, but I'm just gonna use this to give it the shape. And there's one of our meatloafs. I'm gonna do that. We're gonna make 4 of those. Hey, shut up, dogs. Hey. All right, so these are all formed. We're gonna throw them in the fridge just so they get a little harder, so when they cook, they don't break apart on us. And then we'll get going on the guacamole. All you really need is some nice ripe avocados, a little bit of minced garlic, and then some lime juice, and that's all we're gonna use here. Okay, so we've got all the avocado in there. All we're gonna do is add our minced garlic and our nice lime juice. Then we'll mash that all together. Gonna give this a little taste. Just probably a little pinch of kosher salt left. Got the guacamole done and ready. We've got these meatloafs that are gonna go on at 400 degrees, probably for about 20 minutes. You'll see the cheese will even be oozing out the sides on these. And once that's done, it's time for me to eat. There we go. 20 minutes, and it'll be time to take them off. Look at those. These smell amazing. They've rested a little bit here. What I'm gonna do is just take a little more of my spicy salsa, coat that on top. Now, even though they're mini meatloafs, we can still use a large knife to cut it. Oh, that just looks beautiful. Look at that meatloaf right there. That is so good, so moist, the cheese, all those flavors. You gotta give these a try. Thanks for watching Bussin Eats. Again, I'm Dave. Keep it here for some more great grilling. And remember, spread love through barbecue.